made it to Tomoka State Park, and here is our setup. It's absolutely beautiful here. It was downpour raining when we pulled in, and now it is sunny and beautiful. So we're gonna go see if we can explore. Alright guys, we found a little fishing spot here in Tomoka, and we're gonna give it a try. It looks beautiful. Ended up being a beautiful evening, even though it was pouring just a little while ago. So we're gonna see if the fish are biting. Wish us luck. Good morning guys. So we have some exciting news. We bought a canoe yesterday. Here it is. The thing is huge, but it's perfect because one of us can paddle at the back and one of us can fish up front. And we are going to be taking it out on the maiden voyage right now. We'll take you guys along with us and hopefully we catch some fish. Does she float?
No. Seems to float.
Alright, we're off guys. See you at the first spot.
What is up everyone? We are in this little, I guess you would call it like a creek, but yeah, that's the main water out there, and we just made our way into this cute little creek here because we figured it would be helpful to get out of the wind because it's pretty windy today, and helpful to get in on the shallows because we can get nice and shallow where these fish should be hiding. So let's see if we can find you guys one. It's absolutely beautiful here at Tomoka. Check out this. The Jack Slayer. Hey, nice. First fish on the boat.
Yes, first fish. You didn't get stumped day one.
Yeah.
Small fish only.
Small fish love you. Oh, quick release.
He said bye. See if we can get a bigger one.
Where's his mom? I was right.
Front row seat. Nice catch. Little snooky snook.
Yeah.
Nice job. Alright. Officially both of us have caught something. There you go. That's a nice catch. Oh my god, it's a redfish! What? What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Seriously? What were the odds of that? He just put that rod out the back just to troll while we were paddling back. Nick catches a redfish. Nice. Nice job. Oh my gosh. Beautiful redfish. Nice.
What is up, guys? Good morning. We
Good
are currently in Tomoka State Park here on the east coast, and it is our last morning. Unfortunately, it's been very nice to be here though, and we did get a canoe while we were here. And yeah, we had a very successful first maiden voyage in it yesterday, and Shay caught a nice jack, a nice snook. I caught a nice snook, and I caught a redfish. So yeah, it was a very successful first mission, and yeah, it's a beautiful spot here. We just thought this morning we would take you guys for a quick little tour around, show you what you can expect of the place, and yeah, it's definitely a spot that I would recommend. Definitely a spot that you need to check out if you're nearby on the east coast. And after this, we are heading back over to the west coast just for a little bit, our last bit of Florida, and then head up into Georgia to go chase some trout in the mountains.
Super excited for our last little trip through Florida, and it's been an adventure and a half, to say the least. We've seen a whole lot of the East Coast, and that was our whole plan for this, was because we haven't really explored Florida itself, and I personally have lived here almost 10 years, and I barely explored the East Coast at all, so it's been very cool to be able to experience all the different areas and see all the different state parks and what they have to offer. And Florida state parks have been truly beautiful. There's been so much to see. All of them have been very different and very unique in their own ways, and highly recommend adding all of these to your list of places to visit, especially if you want to be out in nature. There's something beautiful at every single park that we've stayed at, and yeah, we'll take little pieces of that with us as we head north.
Here's the Tomoka outpost. This is a really cool little spot. This is where we launched our canoe. Lovely little picnic spot over there. The fishing and picnic area is actually really cool. Maybe we'll take you guys there for a quick loop just to show you what it looks like. I know we did fish there on our first evening, but yeah, we'll give you guys a better idea of what it actually looks like.
The park itself is under construction, so that was the one thing we noticed with majority of the Florida state parks, is there was a construction project going on at every single one of them. So I'm not sure if it was just the time of year that we went or what, but Tomoka is redoing the roads, so all the roads are ripped out right now. Either that or they're going to be paving them. I'm not sure what it was like before, if it was just gravel, but the roads are definitely being worked on throughout the entire park. So that's the only thing that I would note. Besides that, it is absolutely beautiful, and I'm sure once the road is done, it's going to be even better than what it was before. We do plan to probably stop back here again in the future because we really liked it that much.
This is the fishing and picnic area, guys. It's extremely beautiful drive onto this like peninsula island. And it's very nice because if you don't have a boat or canoe, you can still get nice waterfront access. And as you can see, that's a perfect spot. They also have nice little picnic tables, and some of them have little benches. And yeah, we'll pull up on another one here. It's just nice, you get your own private little space. This one is really nice, comes out on the corner. Gotta drive through trees to get there. There's a raccoon on the other side.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, as you guys can see, you get your own little personal picnic spot, and you don't have to see anyone else. There's all these other little open fishing access spots, and yeah, that'll give you access to some really good fishing. I mean, we went through with a canoe yesterday, and that's where we caught our redfish. Yeah, we'll just do a little loop here, show you guys. What's cooking? Good looking.
We are making some campfire nachos tonight. Jace just worked very hard to get the campfire going for us.
Nice.
And I worked very hard at making the nachos.
Cast iron skillet nachos.
Yes. So we're gonna...
Some bugs.
Yeah, and some bugs. Not too bad though.